guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm super excited to share with you my new Apple Watch video, and I'm going to show you how to get Instagram on your Apple Watch. Also, I get a lot of questions about Facebook Messenger, so this is another way that you can get Facebook Messenger. You can use the same system, the same idea, and then you just have to do it with that. But today I'm going to show you how to get Instagram, and I'm super excited about it. It's one of the most asked questions that I get about the Apple Watch. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps on my channel. And be sure to hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every single time I post a new video. And let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is compose a message to yourself. So as you can see on the message here on the screen, I'm sending it to Jackie D, that's me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Instagram.com. So I'm sending myself the Instagram link. Once I hit send, you will see that it sends it in a link type of form. This is exactly how I see it on my Apple Watch. Now I'm on my Apple Watch and I have gone to my messages and clicked on the link in my message, and it opens up just like this. So it looks like a login page just like it does on your phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the login part. You can use continue with Facebook, but you still will have to enter in your login. I apologize that it's a little blurry, but it says either enter your email, username, or phone number. So I went ahead and did my email because it just automatically updated on there, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. This is the most tedious part because you have to actually write in your password with this script writing thing on your Apple Watch. But once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and hit login, move the crown up to see the login, and then this is the most important part. Of course, you're going to get an email saying that you have logged into an unknown device. Go ahead and swipe that away. But make sure that you do this part. Save info. The reason you want to do this is because if you save the info, you're not going to have to put in your password every single time. That can become very tedious, and what's the point of doing that, right? We have the Apple Watch for convenience. There are a couple things that you can and cannot do on Instagram on your Apple Watch. Now, some videos do play, so I'm trying to play this one here by Thunderbro, but this one is probably too long to play. Some of the shorter videos do play. However, I can like the video, or I can like the post. I can also comment on the post. So right here I have a post of Art Emperor where it says to write island in your language. So I'm going to go ahead and like this post, and then I'm going to hit on the comments and show you how I can actually comment on here. You do have to use a script again, but it's a really short one. So I'm just going to write isla, which is island in Spanish, really quick. Hit done, and I did not press post, but you can press post and it'll press it. I accidentally went back, but I just want to also show you quickly that you can just click back on the link and it'll open it back up to your Instagram feed. So this is not the most interactive form, but it is a great way to kind of stay up to date. Also, here I am in my home page of my Instagram. So I have all of my posts here. You can't actually add a post from your Apple Watch. I thought that you could. I'm going to try to see if I can figure out how to do that, but you can't actually do that directly from this link. So I went back to home. You can, however, see some of the stories as long as they're not super long videos. So if you click on it, sometimes there's a little bit of a delay depending on the Wi-Fi that you're on, but you can definitely click on it, see a couple of things, and keep clicking. The more times that I click on the link after I've logged in, the better the response time is, by the way, just as a heads up. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection here, but it's pretty cool. Another thing that I can do is I can search. So if I click on the little magnifying glass, I can go and search things on Instagram. So it takes a moment just to come up. Here are some of the things that I may be interested in. So I can look at one of those, or I can click on the search itself and then search for whatever I want to search. So I'm just going to go ahead and look myself up. Why not? So writing in Jackie Dunn. And let's see here, some suggestions, and there I am. So there again, I am on my page. Okay, so that's what I just wanted to show you guys. After you close, you can always re-click on the link anytime you want, and you just have it there. So it's really nice. I love this option. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.